I will add another multiple answer, computer hardware R. I will add another multiple answer question. Computer hardware R, then ABC, vertical, allow partial credit, yes. Show answer in random order, yes. Then the answers are mouse, then processor, mouse, processor, then Windows 10 Office 2016, Windows 10 Office 2016. These are my answers, only 4 answers. Then I have to put the correct answers. I have to answer are correct. Answer A and answer B. Now I want to update my partial credits. It is automatic 50-50 now. Yeah, if you click here, it's 50-50 equal. Then I have finished now, no feedbacks. Okay, I click on submit. Now I have 6 questions in my final exam. Now let's explore another type of questions. Okay, numeric questions, calculated numeric questions. Let's see what is a calculated numeric question.
Calculated numeric questions allow instructors to present students questions that require a numeric answer. The question can be text. It doesn't need to be a mathematical formula. Calculated numeric questions resemble fill-in-the-blank questions where correct answers are numbers. In a test, select Add Calculated Numeric Question. You can write your question in the Type Question field. When you're finished, write the correct answer in the marked field. You have the option to allow an answer range. The range value can be an integer, decimal, or scientific notation. When you're finished, select Save. If you want to be notified when new videos are...
Okay, let's practice now. I have an example. Numeric answer, 1 megabyte equal in bytes. One megabyte equal in kilobytes, okay? Should be in kilo. Okay, how many kilobytes? and here. Okay, I come back and create a new question. It's calculated numeric. Now I have to put the text here. And then I have to provide the correct answer, which is 1024 kilobyte. And you can give a range for the student, for example, minus plus 2, for example. A range for the value if you wish. And click on submit. Now I have 7 questions. Okay. This is what we call numeric answer. Another type of questions is calculated formula. Let's see the video for the calculated formula. This is the calculated formula.
Blackboard assessments now support calculated formula questions that present different variables for each test taker. To present students with a question that requires them to complete a calculation, create a test and select Create Question, Calculated Formula. Enter the title and question text. Use brackets with alphabetic variables to indicate where the number should appear in the question. This example uses X and Y for variables. Enter the answer formula using the same alphabetic variables. In the Options section, define the correct answer range and variation for the answer. If the correct answer must be exact, the range would be 0. If you want answers to contain measurement unit, select Units Required. Click Next. Define the minimum and maximum value for each variable and specify the number of decimal places for the answer. The number of answer sets defines the number of possible variations in the question that will be presented to students. Click Calculate to generate the answer sets. You can edit values, recalculate the answer sets, or remove an answer set. Enter optional feedback for the correct and incorrect answer, categories, keywords, and instructor notes. Submit to see the calculated formula question in the test canvas.
Okay, let's practice now. I will take the same formula and I will create it. Now, if it is here, I think so, no? Okay. Calculated formula. Then the question is if a small glass can hold X ounces of water and a large glass can hold Y ounces of water, what is the total number of ounces in 4 large and 3 small glasses of water. Now, when a student view the question, the variable x and the variable y are replaced with the values that are generated randomly from the number ranges for that the instructor specifies. Okay? Then, if a small glass x and larger glass y, then the small is x and the large is y. I need 4 large and 3 small. Then 4 large is 4y and 3 small is 3x. Okay? Then I will copy now. As you can see, the variables, you will put it between brackets as usual. Now I will add this question now, create question, and calculated formula. Now I will put the question text here, Control V, keep formatting, okay. I have 2 variables here. This is the first between brackets and this is the second. And we need the total number of ounces. Then the unit is ounces. Now, you have to provide the calculation formula here. And it's an editor from equation here. As in Word, if you remember Word, this is an editor for writing equations. Now I have 4y plus 3x. This is my formula that I will use for calculation. Now, here the options. Answer ranges 0. It means that the student in this case should provide the strict answer, numeric one. It's a numeric. Okay. Allow partial credit. There is no partial credit here. Units required. If unit is required, then it will be different. Okay. Then the student should submit also the units. What are the correct units? This is the units, ounces. Okay. Case sensitive? No, I will not require case sensitive. And use unit point percentage. How many you will give for the unit? 20% of the grade? Okay, for example, or 10%. 10% of the grade. And then you can click on next. Now I have to define the variables. Here I have variable x and variable y as stated in my question. And I have to provide minimum value or maximum value is 100 here. Minimum value is 0. And maybe I can put minimum value here for x 5 and 3, for example, and no decimal value here, or and the calculated answer to 2 decimal point after 2 decimal places. Then Number of answers set 10. Yeah, it's good, the number. And correct answer format, normal. You have normal and exponential. Normal, leave it as normal. And next. Now he will calculate. He will give me the 10 answers for X and Y. It's a data as a data. Okay. This data will appear for the student randomly. Then some student will get this value, another student will get this value. Then this will be, okay. And this is the calculated answer, 2 decimal places. Okay. Now I finished here. And you have correct answer, feedback. Okay. Okay, we finished. I can click on submit. I have added a new question. Now I have 8 questions.